In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Python on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Python. We'll be having the official link from python.org. Click it. Here we will be having the downloads option. Hover over it and click on this Python 3.14.5, which is the latest version. The download is around 72.7 MB in size, so just be patient. And in case if you want to download any older versions of Python, hover over this. We'll be having this view the full list of downloads. Select it. If you scroll down over here, we'll be having this looking for a specific version, and all the old versions of Python are available here. You can simply download and use it also. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the install Python setup. Click on continue. This is just a readme. You can read it through and click on continue. And this is the license. Again, read and click on continue. Click on agree. This is fine. Click on install. It will ask us to enter the password of the system. Just enter and select install software. The installation will begin. Once it is done, we will be getting installation was completed successfully. Click on close. We can simply click on move to bin for this. And this particular folder will be getting automatically opened, Python 3.14. Now we can simply close it. Now I will just open terminal, run the command Python 3 and hit enter. We'll be getting the Python shell as well as the Python version. This is the latest version that we have installed. Here we can run some simple Python code or some math problems and stuff. For example, 3 plus 2 and hit enter, we'll be getting the result. Or else we can even use the print command like this. This is also doable. Now let's suppose say you want to write entire Python code. In that case, what you can do is you can simply close it, terminate, go to apps and just type idle and open it. We'll be getting the idle shell over here. Similar to that, here also we can write some Python quick quotes like this. But in order to create a entire Python file itself, here we are having at the top file, right? File, new file. Here we can type the entire long Python code, something like this. Or else you can simply install Visual Studio Code and configure Python in it. That would be a better way also. Now to save it, Ctrl S. Just select the location where you want to save. I'll just have it as demo and select save. Now to run it, we are having the run command, run module. As you can see, we have got the output of the print statement. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.